Question number 1. Which article is used before a word starting with a vowel sound? The right answer is option B, an. Question number 2. Choose the correct preposition. I will meet you dash 5 p.m. The right answer is option A, it. Question number 3. Identify the article dash cat is sleeping under the table. The right answer is option C, the. Question number 4. Choose the correct article. He is dashed honest man. The right answer is option B, an. Question number 5. Identify the preposition in the sentence. The book is on the table. The right answer is option C, on. Question number 6. Choose the correct preposition. The cat is hiding dash the bed. The right answer is option A, under. Question number 7. Identify the article dash university is opening new courses. The right answer is option C, the. Question number 8. Which part of speech is word run in the sentence I like to run? The right answer is option B, verb. Question number 9. Choose the correct article. She wants to buy dash new car. The right answer is option A, A. Question number 10. Identify the preposition in the sentence. He is going to the market. The right answer is option A, 2. Question number 11. Which part of speech is the word quick in the sentence she is quick? The right answer is option D, adjective. Question number 12. Choose the correct preposition. We will travel dash car. The right answer is option A, by. Question number 13. Identify the article dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. The right answer is option B, an. Question number 14. Choose the correct article. He is dash engineer. The right answer is option B, an. Question number 15. Identify the preposition in the sentence. She walked through the park. The right answer is option A, through.